So hi all, today we will do the second topic of the second chapter, that is linear polynomials. So let us start with an example. So example 5 state that a chess club charges a joining fee of 200 plus 50 rupees for every match played. The following table shows that the amount a player will have to pay as the number of matches varies. Okay, so as you can see, the first month you have to pay like 200 plus 1 into 50, right? Second matches means 200 plus, since it is two matches, for every match you have to pay 50 rupees. Second matches you have done is 2 times 50. Third match it will be like 200 plus 3 times 50. Fourth match, to the fourth match you have to pay the first fee 200 plus 4 times 50, and goes on. You can see the last mth month it will be 200 plus m into 50, that we can write it as 200 plus 15m, right? So as you can see, in each play you have to pay extra 50 rupees, right? For each match you have to pay extra 50 rupees. So it's 50 rupees is increasing in each of this match, right? So these kind of this example shows linear pattern. Why? Because the amount paid by the player increases rupees 50 for every additional match played. So these kind of are called linear pattern. Now we will discuss what you mean by a linear equation. Okay, for that we will discuss a problem. Okay, the sum of two numbers is 64. One of the number is 10 more than the other. What are the other two numbers? So while we are making the equation, we will take the smaller number as x. Okay, then bigger number is given, that is 10 more than the other. So it will be like x plus 10 will be the bigger number, right? Or larger number. And given that sum of the number is 64, that is x plus 10 is given as 64. Okay, so you can see this is a linear equation only here. This is like 2x plus 10 equal to 64. So what did we here? We did a linear equation that equal to a constant number, right? So such kind of equation is called as linear equation. When we equate a linear polynomial, one variable to a constant, we know as linear equation. So this is an example of linear equation. Got the idea? So these are the few basic you need to understand before we move into exercise 2.2. Now we will start the exercise 2.2. It's very easy question only. In the first question, you can see you have to find the value of the linear polynomial 5x minus 3 at x is equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, and x is equal to 2. So all in the case, you have to substitute the value of x here. So in the first case, 5x minus 3 means, but you have to 5 into 0 minus 3, we will get 0 minus 3, which is equal to minus 3 only. Very easy question. And the second one, answer will be like you have to substitute x is equal to minus 1. So it will be 5 into minus 1 minus 3. So it will be like minus 5 minus 3. You will get it a minus 8. Okay. The third question, you have to substitute x is equal to 2. So that 5 into 2 minus 3, that is 10 minus 3. You will get it as 7. So it's very question what you have to do here. You have to just substitute the value of x into the equation. Okay, now moving to the second question. Second question is same as that of the last question. You have the quadratic polynomial 7s square minus 4s plus 6. You have to find the value at s is equal to 0, s is equal to minus 3, and s is equal to 4. Now we can find one by one. So the equation is 7s square minus 4s plus 6. If s is equal to 0 means what will you get? You will get it as 7 into 0 minus 4 into 0 plus 6. That is, this will be 0 minus 0 plus 6. That is, you will get 6. Okay. Now s is equal to 3 means what will you get? You will get 7 into 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 6. Right. 4 into, it's actually minus 3. So 4 into minus 3 and 7 into minus 3 whole square. So minus 3 whole square is 9 only. So 7 into 9 minus 4 into minus 3 is minus 12 plus 6. Now 7 into 9 is 63. Minus of minus is plus 12 plus 6. That is 63 plus 18. Right? So we'll get 8 plus 3 is 11, 81. 6 plus 1 is 7. Remainder adding 1, you will get 81. Got the idea? Very easy. Now last question, you have to find the value of the polynomial at s is equal to 4. So it will be like 7 into 16 square. 16 only, because 4 square means 16 minus 4 into 4 plus 16. Right? So 7 into 16 minus 16 plus 6. So 6 times 7 is 42. 1 times 7 is 10. 7 plus 4 will be 11. 11. 112 minus 16 plus 6. So 112 plus 6 you will get 108 plus minus 60. So subtracting 16 you will get 2 0 1 note. The final answer will be 1 note. Got the idea? Now we will move to the next question. Okay, so next question is, the present age of Salil's mother is 3 times Salil's present age. After 5 years, their age will add up to 70 years. Find the present age. So, the present age of Sally's mother is 3 times Sally's age, and after 5 years, their age add up to 70 years. So, you have to find the present age. So, let us take present age of Sally as x. Okay. Then present age of mother will be what? 3 times Sally's age means 3x. Right. Now you have to think about after 5 years. After 5 years means you have to add 5 to both Sally's age and mother age. Right. So after 5 years, Sally's age will be x plus 5, and after 5 years mother age will be, mother age present age is 3x. So after 5 years it will be 3x plus 5. Now, given that their age after 5 years add up to 70, right? So that will be, you will get x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5, you will get it as 70. So x plus 3x you will get 4x, 5 plus 5 you will get add up to 10. 4x plus 10 is equal to 70. So in the next step, you will get it as 4x is equal to 70 minus 10. When you take plus 10 to the RHS, you will get minus 10. So 4x is equal to 60. So that x is equal to 60 by 4. You will get it as 15. So Sal's present age will be 15. So mother age will be 3 times 15, which is 45. So age of Sally is 15 years old, and her mother will be 45 years old. Got the idea? Okay. So from the question we have made the linear equation, and we have equated to the constant value given in the question like 70, and we find the solution. Okay. Now we will move to the fourth question. Given that the difference between the two positive integers is 63. The ratio of the integer is 2:5. You have to find the two integers. So that what you have to do? You have to take the integers ratio as 2:5. It's already given. So take integers as, since in ratio is given as 2:5, you can take just the integers as 2x and 5x. Right? Already given the difference between the positive integer is 63, right? So two positive integers. So how you can find the difference? 5x minus 2x is equal to 63. So that you will get it is 3x. 3x is equal to what? 63. So that x is equal to 63 by 3. You will get a 21. Okay. So the integers are like 2x and 5x, right? So 2 times 21 and 5 times 21, right? 2 times 21 means it will be 42. 5 times 21 means 105. So the integers will be 42 and 105. Got it? The ratios were given, and we take the integers according to the ratio, and given that the difference was 63. So we find out the difference equal to 63, and hence we find the value of x. Got it? Okay. Now we will move to the next question. Next question says that Ruby has 3 times as many 2 rupees coin as she have 5 rupees coins. If she had a total of 88, how many coin does she have of each type? So it's given that Ruby has 3 times as many 2 rupees coin as she has 5 rupees coin. So we have to consider the number of 5 rupees coin and number of 2 rupees coins. If we consider the number of 5 rupee coin as X, so already given in the question, she has 3 times as many 2 rupees coins as she have 5 rupee coin. So the number of 2 rupee coin will be 3 times as that of the 5 rupee coin. So it will be 3x only. Got it? Now given that she has total of 88 rupees. So you know that if you have one 5 rupee coin, the value will be 5 only. If you have two 5 rupee coin, the value will be 2 into 5, you will get it 10. So how many 5 rupees coin Ruby has here? We take it as X, right? So the value of the total value, how we can write? The total value should be 5 times X for the 5 rupee coin and 2 times 3x for the 2 rupee coin. Okay, now if we add it together, the total value we will get, and it's given the total value is 88. Got the idea? We take the number of coins as X, and given that 2 rupee coin is 3 times as the number of 5 rupee coin, and we got the 2 rupee coin as 3x, and to find the total value we multiplied it with the value of the coin. So 5 times x plus 2 times 3x. Okay, so that will be like 5x plus 6x is equal to 80. That you will get 11x is equal to 88, which means x is equal to 88 by 11. You will get it as 8, which means she has how many 5 rupee coin? Yes, she has 8 5 rupee coin, and 3 times 8 means 24 2 rupee coin. So number of 2 rupee coin is 24 and number of 5 rupee coin is 8. Okay, now can you check whether it is correct or not? How we can check? Yeah, you have to just substitute the values and we can check whether it is correct. For example, if it is there is 8 5 rupees coin means 8 into 5, and 24 2 rupees equal 24 into 2 only. 8 times 4 is 40 plus 24 into 2 you will get it as 48, right? 48 plus 40 you will get 88. So the total answer was 88. So the values are correct only. Got it? Okay. Now we will move to the sixth question. Okay. Sixth question is very easy. It says that a farmer cuts 300 feet fence into two pieces of different sizes. The longer piece is 4 times as long as the shorter piece. How long are the two pieces? That was the question. So a farmer had what? Fence. Okay, so let it be this fence. Okay, let it be the fence. So how much long is the total fence? Yes, the total length of the fence was like 300 feet, right? Total length was 300 feet, but he cut it into two pieces. One is longer and one is shorter. The yellow color was the shorter one, and suppose the pink color was the longer side. Okay, now it's given that the longer side is 3 times as that of the, longer side is 4 times as that of the shorter piece. Okay, so what should we take? We should take the shorter side as shorter piece. Okay, shorter piece as x. Then the longer piece of the fence will be how much? Yes, it is 4 times as long as the shorter piece. It will be 4x, right? That clearly says that this together, once we add this two pieces 4x plus x, we will get 300 feet only. So once we add, given total length is 300 only. So x plus 4x is equal to 300. That is 5x is equal to 300. So 5x is equal to 300 means x is equal to 300 by 5, which gives you 60. That means the shorter side is 60 feet. Shorter piece is 60 feet and longer piece is how much? 4 times 60, that is 240 feet. Got the idea? So this is how we find the length of the fence. Okay, now we will move to the seventh question, and this is the last question. It's given that if the length of the rectangle is 3 times more than twice its width and its perimeter is 24 centimeter, what are the dimensions of the rectangle? So what we have to do? We have to take the length and width first of all. So given length of the rectangle is 3 more than twice its width. So let us take the width as the smaller one, that is as x, and the length will be 3 more than twice width. Twice width means 2 times x. Twice means 2 times. Now 3 more means plus 3. Right. So we got length as 2x plus 3 and width as x. Okay. Now given perimeter is equal to 24 only. Right. So perimeter is equal to 24 only means we know the equation of the perimeter. Right. What is the equation of the perimeter? Yes, 2 times L plus B is equal to 24. Isn't it? So 2 times, what is the length here? 2x plus 3. Now, breadth and width are same only, right? So, breadth or width is equal to x, which is equal to 24. So, you will get 2x plus x is equal to 3. So, 2 into 3x plus 3 is equal to 24. So, once I take this 2 to the RHS, or if I divide both sides by 2, I will get 3x plus 3 is equal to 24 by 2, which is equal to 12. That is 3x plus 3 is equal to 12. So that 3x is equal to 12 minus 3, and x is equal 3x is equal to 9, and x is equal to 9 by 3, which is equal to 3 centimeter. So that you got the long shorter side is right, shorter side or width is equal to 9 centimeter, and length we took it as how did we take the length? We take the length as 2x plus 3, right? So you will get length or the longer side as 2 into 3 plus 3, that is 6 plus 3 9. Okay, so you got the length as 9 centimeter and width as 3 centimeter. Hope it is clear. So by this class we have finished the exercise 2.2. If you have any doubt you can ask in the comment section. I will help you there. Okay. In the next class we will discuss the topics of exercise 2.3 and related questions. Okay. Okay. Till then, bye.